Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a serious fault here. Yeah, my power supply broke. So check here. I'm not able to push amps on a circuit. So like 4.6, and it's max current. And look, it's changing itself. Check that. Check that. I mean, I'm doing nothing. Look how the current is changing. Hmm? So what can be the problem? The wires? No, are not the wires. I tried already another two wires. So basically, if I adjust, why is doing that? I mean, now it's working. Now I can push over 4 amps. But usually I can't do it more than 3. I don't know why today it's working. But start doing it like few days ago, and it's annoying because you cannot count on the power supply. The wires, no, are not the wires, are not the wires. I tried different wires, it's doing exactly the same thing. So it has to be the power supply. So let's open the power supply and fix it, yeah? Now, this is my power supply, and I have a camera here, and I have the wires from the USB-C. Then on the other end, I'm using to test the laptops and diagnose the laptops. So we will have to open the power supply and see what is wrong inside, because something it is wrong. I'm guessing is the potentiometer has a problem. Not sure, but looks like that can be a issue. That can be the problem. I modified the power supply immediately after I bought it. So, wait, I do have a fan inside. Oh, yeah, but the fan, only when I push the button, it's working. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you. If you want to modify yours, I will show you how to do it. I never use the fan. I mean, the idea was, okay, if I'm charging some batteries, then I need fan. My modification, it will not hold. But I never start the fan, so it's completely silence. Okay, so the top cover, let's take it. Okay. So that's my power supply. Yeah, it has a fan. Yeah, let me plug it and I will show you. Let me plug it. Yeah, so check here. If you have this model, I cut the fan wires and I solder the fan there. So you cut the fan wire, the you have red and black with red. You can see here. So I cut the red wire and I solder the red wire exactly there. And you see the fan is not spinning. You can see it. But if I press the power button, if I press this button, yeah, this one, check that. We have a metal moving inside. Now the fan is spinning. You can see the fan. Pressing back the button, it's not spinning. Beautiful. But you know what? I never start the fan. I don't need to start the fan because I use this extra heatsink over the original heatsink. So this is doing the job. Now, in order to reach the potentiometers, because somewhere is losing current, yeah, that's what is happening. We have to take this front out. Let's try to see what's wrong with that potentiometer or adjustable resistor. So this is a linear power supply. You can see it has a big transformer. So even if I, let's say I short with a tweezer, yeah, let's short with a tweezer. Check there, you can see? Check there, check, you can see? So even if I short the tweezer, it's doing exactly the same thing. So yeah, that's the problem. It's not hot, probably about 30 degrees. So we have to take those things out. Now you will see in many power supplies, but it's hard to figure it out if it's linear or switching. I mean, it's hard. But they all have that, like inside they are the same. That's why I'm telling you about the fan modification. Maybe it can be helpful for you. Now the board is coming out. Yeah, it is. So we have one connector here and one connector here. So how we can clean the potentiometers? So the one which I'm looking to fix it is this one, and it is soldered properly. You can see it. Yeah, it is soldered. So I'm thinking to open and clean. That's what I'm thinking. And we can do it. So check here, yeah? Those potentiometers, they have 4 fingers here. I don't want to break it. So they have those things. Yeah, you can see? So we can bend them. And you can remove the back metal. Proper nice made. And this one. Yeah, and now we can have access in the back of the potentiometer. And here can be the problem. You see those things moving here? Okay, let me try and clean it. Maybe it will work just by cleaning. I think actually the problem can be here on the base where huh? I'm not sure how can I take that thing out. So that's the potentiometer. No, this is not made to be open, you can see? Yeah, so they split the metal here, so you cannot open it. I will try to solder the potentiometer even on this side. But I'm not sure how can I clean it. It's pretty solid here, pressing on the pads. On the carbon thingy. You know, it's pretty sad because I cannot open to clean it. So probably the only way is to replace it, right? Or if not, leave me a comment and tell me how you will fix something like that. Maybe you have a different idea. So, you know, it's no way how can I take this plastic from here. No, they split the metal there. Maybe some things are not made to be repaired. Maybe I need another potentiometer. Also, can be a problem here. You see here? Wait, those here down have a different color, you can see? Which is strange. Why they have different color here? Oh, probably because it's metal. Okay, I got it, I got it. Yeah, let me solder the potentiometer there. Well, again, I don't think that's the problem, you know, with the soldering, because they're soldered on the other side. Yeah, same here. No, it's not even point. Rosin. Look what is here, and that's how the power supply came. No one work here. You seen that weird solder job? The connector looks solder. I can do it. Good. Here we have another connector. Let's test it. Let's see if it's working now. Let's see if you can test it like that with the potentiometer open. But I can't see the screen. I can't see the screen. Yeah, I can see it now. Okay. I mean, I should be able to pull out like 5 amps from this power supply. So good, it's working. Yeah, the current is too low. Wait, which is max current? Here must be max current. 4.6. I need something better. Yeah, that's better. So 4.6. It's not this one. This one, yeah. And it's going to 0. Well, it's stable. Now it's stable. And the other one is the fine. Yeah. 5 amps. Check that. 5 amps. I can't believe. I haven't seen 5 amps for a while on this power supply. 5.2. Yeah, looks like it's stable. 5 amps. Lol, the tweezer is getting warm. Okay, if it's working, it's okay. Not sure for how long it will work. Not sure if I should put back the black metal. What's the size of this this potentiometer? It's not saying. Let's check with the multimeter. Just to know, you know, if it's getting broken, just to buy another one. Two kilo ohms. 2 kilo ohms. 0. Two kilo ohms. They all have 2 kilo ohms. Then I can swap one, right? Yeah, probably I can. But it's working. It's fine now. So just a bit of cleanup and soldering and solve the problem. I mean, it's no point to think, okay, maybe it's time for another power supply, because this power supply is working great. I mean, I'm happy. You know, that point where you're happy with your things and you don't want something else. So I'm pretty sure there is no better power supply in this world for what I'm doing. So it's no, I'm not wishing to try another power supply. I mean, this is a basic linear power supply without current protection. Has current limit, but not. No, sorry, short circuit protection. No. You don't want short circuit protection if you are doing repairs. You want current limit, yeah, but no short circuit protection. Good? Perfect. Lol, I broke it. I can't believe it's spinning around. It's spinning because I haven't put the metal, right? Yeah, that's the reason. Lol. Yeah, has a notch there. You can see inside. That sucks. You know what? That's okay. I'm not that kind of guy which, okay, max. Yeah, no, I'm watching the current every time when I'm adjusting the current, so that's fine. I'm not taking that. No, no, no. No, that's okay. That's okay. I'm happy with that. Wait, that's crazy. So this one is made in England? No. Yeah. Lol, that's crazy. I always thought, this is some Chinese power supply. But this is made in England. Yeah, 150 watts max. 2015 or 2019? What is that? Probably 19. Yeah, must be. Interesting. Okay, let's check one more time. Let's see. So we have the buttons. So the voltage is still working fine. Yeah, good. And the current, five amps. Yeah, so I can go down and I can go high. And obviously, if I'm going too much, it's starting from 0. Yeah, that's fine. At least it's working. And now here is fine adjustment, which I really don't need it. But this one I needed. You know what? Why I didn't swap this one here? It's still working. Yeah, I should swap this one here. Or I should swap this one, but this one I'm using it. The fine one, the voltage. But this one I'm not using it. I should just swap it, one with the other. Actually, I could disable. I don't need the fine adjustment for current. Yeah, I can short it and I have peace of my mind. I have like max current and I can adjust the current from the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna stop now. So if you want to modify your power supply, have in mind you need this kind of heatsink, big one. You need big one because it will get hot. But obviously, only if you use the power supply, for repairs. If you're using like to supply current for a long time, then you need a fan. And the way I found it is to disable the fan by the switch. If you are using it only for repairs, so you are not charging batteries and things, then I believe you can scrap the fan. You can just take it out, and it's even better if you take the fan out. Probably the air is moving freely. Yeah, I should take it out because I never use the fan. But who knows? Maybe I'm charging batteries on the future. So I'll stop now. I will say thank you for being here with me, fixing my power supply, and see you on the next one. Bye.